Hello children, welcome back to the educational platform of Sri Basava Public School. I am here with you with the third unit. In this video, we will learn a new poem. Are you ready? Okay. Before we start the poem, I would like to show a picture. Look at the picture on the board. Can you identify this? Just you try, ma. Yeah, it is called scarecrow. What did you call? It is called scarecrow. Have you seen before this? Yeah, of course. Some of you have seen this while traveling. Okay, very good. Where did you see a scarecrow? I mean, in the barren field. Do you know barren field? Here you can see the picture. Or in the fertile field. Where did you see a scarecrow? Yeah, in the fertile field. The scarecrow is placed in the fertile field to scare the birds away from the crops. Is it? So, we have the poem related to this object. That is the Scarecrow, Unit 3, Poem 3, The Scarecrow. Let us know who is the author of this poem. Who is the poet of this poem? This poem was written by Michael Franklin. Written by Michael Franklin. In this video, we are going to learn about a brief note about the poet, reading the poem, new words, explanation, and last, the theme of the poem. So, in the very beginning, here you can see a brief note about the poet. Who is the poet? Michael Franklin. He was born in New York. It means American poet. On 16th April 1952. And he has written more books. Here I have mentioned 2 books. Only 2 books. First one, The Book of 1,000 Poems. Another one, The Wild Animals. So this is very brief, very small information about the poet. I hope you understood clearly. Now let us start the poem. Here you can see Poem 3, The Scarecrow. Listen carefully, children. A scarecrow stood in a field one day, stuffed with straw, stuffed with hay. He watched the folk on the king's highway, but never a word said he. Much he saw, but not did heed, knowing not night, knowing not day. For having not, did nothing need. I never a word said he. A little grey mouse had made its nest, oh so wing, oh so grey, in a sleeve of a coat that was poor Tom's best. But the scarecrow not said he. Next stanza. His hat was the home of a small Jenny Wren, ever so sweet, ever so gay. A squirrel had put by his fear of men, and hissed him, but not heeded he. Ragged old man, I loved him well, stuffed with straw, stuffed with hay. Many is the tale that he could tell. but never a word said he. Written by Michael Franklin. This is very nice poem, children. So here we have the list of meaning of new words. Before I said scarecrow, it is an object that looks like person and that is placed in a field to scare birds away from the crops. Stuffed, it means of a dead body having the skin filled with material. Straw, it means a dried cereal plant or wheat plant. Dried wheat plant. Hay, it means dried grass. Folk, it means people. Much means more. Not means nothing. Heed means pay attention or notice. Need means want. We means small or young, very young. Haste, it is a sound made by birds or squirrel. Ragged, it is an adjective, it means torn cloth. King's Highway, the road that led to King's Palace. Many's, it means used to say that something is common or happened often. Jenny Wren, it means it is a kind of a bird. Jenny Wren. Tale, tale means story. Is it clear, students? Now let us know the meaning of poem with picture. Look at the picture. The scarecrow stood in the field. It is filled with dried grass. He observed so many appearances on the road of King's Palace. But one thing, he didn't speak anything. The poet is saying that the exact position of the scarecrow. He saw so many things, but he didn't pay attention. He didn't know about the day and night, and he didn't need anything for having, and he cannot speak a single word. A small grey color rat made its home in a sleeve of a coat. Look at here. And that coat was Tom's best. That was torn or old. But the scarecrow didn't say anything for that. And a small bird called Jenny Wren also made a nest in his hat. Look at the picture. It was very happy in that. And a squirrel, one more animal, squirrel, which is always getting feared by the men. It is also bee in that hat and hissed him. But he didn't pay attention on it. The poet says that he loved ragged old man. It means the scarecrow. He loved the scarecrow because it is filled with different kinds of material and kept it in the field to scare birds. And it cannot speak, but he can tell many stories. So this is a brief explanation of the poem. Now children, let us explain the poem in detail with knowing the difficult words and their meanings. Once again, we can see the stanzas. By the entire poem, the poet wants to say the exact position of the scarecrow. Look at the picture. In the first stanza, stuffed it means filled, straw it means dried cereal plants, hay it means dried grass. So here the poet says that the scarecrow stood in the field. It is filled with dried grass. And here he refers to scarecrow. He observed, the scarecrow observed each and every one appearance of the field, and he watched every direction of the king's palace highway. But he doesn't speak anything. So that is the exact position of the scarecrow. Next, move on to the second stanza. Here, not, N-A-U-G-S-T. Not it means nothing. Heed it means pay attention. In the second stanza, the poet describes that the scarecrow saw so many things, but he didn't pay attention. He didn't notice on anything. And he doesn't know about day and night. He doesn't need anything for having. It means he doesn't need anything to eat. And he never speaks a single word. So that is the position of the scarecrow. Next, move on to the third stanza. Here, we, it means small, very young, grey, it is a kind of color. Okay, a little grey mouse. Here in the third stanza, the poet says that a small grey color rat had made its nest. Where it is? Here. In a sleeve of a coat. And that coat was Tom's best. Who is the Tom? Who is the owner of the field? His son, Tom. And it was become old and torn. But the scarecrow didn't say anything to anybody. So that is the position of the scarecrow. Next stanza. Here a small Jenny wren. Jenny wren, it is kind of bird. Here you can see in the picture bird. It is, as you know that birds are so sweet and so happy for their appearance. So there was a small Jenny wren bird, and it is also made a nest where? In his hat. Here you can see in the picture hat. And one more small animal, that is squirrel. So squirrel, small animal, has been roaming on the hat. We might know that the squirrel is always getting fear by the people or scarecrow. Is it? So it is also hissed to the scarecrow, but he didn't notice on it. Who? The scarecrow. Heeded means pay attention. Not means did not, nothing. So here these three creatures, rat, Jenny wren bird, squirrel, are being on the scarecrow, but he didn't pay attention. Next, last stanza. Here ragged. Ragged it means torn cloth. Old man, ragged old man. It is refers to the scarecrow. The poet calls the scarecrow as ragged man. And here it refers to poet. The poet loved the scarecrow well. Why? Because it is kept in the field with different kinds of materials. It is filled with straw and hay, hat, coat, stick, pot, grass. Is it? So, according to the poet, the scarecrow is the great ideal person and tells many stories by representing different actions, but never speak a single word. So, that is shows bad impression to the poet. So, this is the complete explanation of the poem. So, I hope you understood this. Is it? Okay. Now, hope you got to know that the theme very easy there. It has multiple themes. Okay. So, first one, we have to speak against to the violence. Hope you understood this. And we have to pay attention on everything surroundings of us. Is it? So, it is giving multiple themes. Is it clear? So, now take down the homework. Here you can see, write the poem, meaning of new words and a brief note about poet in English notebook one time, and recite the poem by singing with your own tune. Hope you'll do with very interestingly. Is it? Okay. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. See you again. Thank you.